friends, today I am trying to explain you about that for looping concepts and loop concepts. For is one of that. I'll explain you. See first, for loop, while loop, nested for loop. These three are the loop concepts. With the help of this looping concept, so we can understand, we can write the program by using the increment method. For example, if I want to display the numbers 1 to 5, okay, so first I have started with 0 number, okay, I is equal to 0, I have initiated I is equal to 0. Then I need to increment the data with the condition till 5 numbers I have to increase. I am trying to increase that numbers. So for with the using of that for loop, we can increase the numbers 1 to 5. With the in the previous video we learned about that if condition. In if condition we only check the condition only. For example, if I less than or equal to 5, then print I am 5. I am under 5 number. Like this we are printing if condition. Okay, now in this for loop what we can do it is I is equal to 0, then I can print I is equal to 1, then I can print I is equal to 2, then I can print something I is equal to 3, then I can print something I is equal to 4, I can print something. What is the condition we have mentioned? Till that number we can print the data again and again. So till the condition is satisfied the process, we can continually loop the condition. So I will explain you about that for loop. For example, for I is equal, I have taken I is equals to initiate the data with 0. Okay, I is equal to 0. So I am trying to print till 4 numbers or else 6 numbers based on our opinion, interest. For example, for I in range here 5. Okay, I am giving till 5 numbers I am trying to print range in 5. So print what I have to print I. Okay, print I. So what is the output we can expect? 0, I is equals to 0 it will print, and I is equals to I is equals to 1, and I is equals to 2, and I is equals to 3, and I is equals to 4, and I is equals to 5. 4 only, because that it will taking it as I less than 5. It's not equal to 5. It's not equal to 5, only less than 5 onwards the condition is true. So it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Okay, we will practice this in program. Write the same program in Python compiler. For I in range 5, print sorry, I. Okay, let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See here I didn't mention any 0, 5 like that. So if I mention here 0, 5 also, the same output will come. Otherwise, if I mention 1, 5 means it will start from 1 onwards. If I have mentioned 2 means it will start from 2 onwards. Okay, so 2, 3, 4. I less than 5 it will take. So I means 2, I means 3, increase, it will increase. I mean I is equal to 2 and 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. If I have to do one more point here also, this is the starting point 2 and 5 is the ending point where we have to stop till I less than or equal to last number 5. And here I am trying to do 1 point plus 2 means it will add. For example, I will start here, starting point is 0. Okay, 0, 5 and plus 2. Let's see. 0 it will start and it will add two numbers, 0 plus 2 2 and 2 plus 2 4, like that it will increase till 5. It will start from 0, ends with less than 5 and increment is plus 2. If I increased 3, 0 to 6 I will take. Let's check. 0, first 3, next I less than 6 means 5 only, no? So it will not come 6. So only till 5 only. 5 it was not included with 3 increments. So I will increase it to 7. So 6 also comes. Let's see. 0, 3, 6. So 0 increment is 3, 0 plus 3 3 and after 3 6. Like this for loop will do. And next program, let's see one more program. Count is equals to 0. Okay, for I in range 10, sorry, count in range 10. Here I initiated as count in range 10. Print count. Let's see. Till 9. Okay. Okay. This is about that for loop. Okay. Now we are going to while. Okay. Next while. I will initiate I is equal to 0 like for loop or else 10. While I less than or equals to, here we can use like equals to also. There also we can use range I, here also can use, here also I range till 15. Okay, print I, but here we need to mention increment operator. I is equals to I plus 1. Okay, let's check. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Because I have mentioned here I less than or equal to, so it's coming till 15. Okay, and one more program like count we will do. What is the difference between for and while loop means? In for loop we can know about number of times the code will loop, means code will continue looping again and again. But in while loop, when we don't know that how many times it will do, at that in that cases we can use a while loop. Here we will give that condition. Based on that condition and increment operator, the looping will continue. Okay, I will explain you about that break and continue statements also in while loop. Okay, and the same program in for loop what I have told you in count, like that I will explain you in while also, while cases also. Count, I will take count is equals to 0 like above program, enter, and while I less than or equals to, in for loop only till 9 it was printed, so like I will use I less than 10. Okay, print sorry, here I mentioned count, no, so print count. Here also we have to mention count instead of I. Okay, print count, and increment operator we need to mention. Count is equals to count plus 1. Run this program. The same output what is coming from for loop, the same output it is coming as while loop also. Let's check in for loop. This is in while loop we are doing the program. Okay, see, for loop also same output we are getting. Okay, it was started count is equal to 0 onwards. So here also we can mention this count is equals to 0, then the same output will get. See. See, this is the for loop output till 9, above 0 to 9, and below 0 to 9 is while loop. Okay, thank you friends. This is about that for and while loop. In the next video I'll explain you about nested for loop. Nested for loop means like nested if loop. For within the for we have one more for loop, that is a two-dimensional array related information. So I will explain you in the next session about that nested for and continue break statements. Thank you.